everyone, I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to do a journal article search from the Cal Poly homepage. So pull up Cal Poly's homepage, cpp.edu, scroll down to the bottom, and you can click on Library right under Resources. It's the first link. Scroll down the library homepage and you're going to look for databases right here under featured links on the right. Now, if you're doing this from home, you would need to put in your Bronco ID and your password to get into the system. Okay, so for education, the best place to start, there are 193 databases. My best recommendation is to start with Academic Search Premier. Type in your Bronco ID and your password. Okay, and after the EBSCOhost search engine has loaded, you are going to type in your keywords at the top. And remember, keywords are the words that you want to have show up in your results. So let's pretend that I am searching for an article on manifestation, determination, and I'm also going to put in special education just so I can narrow my results a little. Okay. And then over here you can select if you want it in the text, the author, in the title. I usually just leave those blank. Now I'm going to come down here to search options, and here's where search modes and expanders, you want to leave that at Boolean or phrase. Under limit your results, this would be if you only want to search for articles that Cal Poly Pomona has. I usually ignore all of this here. You do, if you would like it available to you by right online, I would click full text. And you always want to click this one that says scholarly or peer-reviewed journals. And remember, peer-reviewed means that other experts in the field have taken a look at it and agreed with the findings and the methodology of the article, if it's a research publication. If you wanted to get really specific, you could always type the name of a journal here. And I always click also PDF full text so that I can download a PDF of the article. And then click on search. So what I ended up here is with 3 results on manifestation determination. I can click on each one of these to see if they meet my needs. I can look at the PDF full text here. Let me show you. If I click on one, it gives me the abstract and it gives me the PDF full text. So I can look through the abstract and make sure that it's something I might be interested in and then download it. I can also save it to my Google Drive over here on the right. I can save it if I have an account in EBSCO, I can save it there. I can export it. I can email it to myself or print it. Okay, so let me go back to the search results. The other thing you might want to take note of when you're looking for peer-reviewed articles is basically in any research literature, you want it to be pretty recent, within the last probably 5 years. So I usually take this bar here, the publication date, and I move it to about 5 to 10 years ago. And so that'll narrow my results to the most recent articles. So now I only have one article that meets my specifications. So that is how you do a journal article search tutorial through the Cal Poly Pomona Library. Let me know if you have any questions.